Hey, what's up, everyone? Just wanted to go over my day at the desk. Quick little daily recap of my trades and what I saw to the desk. And again, like these last few days have been like, wow, what a week, man! Just intense. I mean, this price action is something else. These tweets on Trump tariffs and Trump's tweets on the tariff. Try and say that three times as fast as you can. But yeah, no, everything that's going on is just it's wild, man. It is wild. Like, what a wild time to be trading the market. So, after yesterday's blow up and blowing up those accounts, I came in today thinking just with a different mentality. I got that one account secured up pretty good, close to a payout. So I'm just trying to take it easy, taking some small trades, not trying to get caught up in today in any of the crazy euphoria or whatever you want to call it, the gambling mentality. Just these massive moves and there's guys they see tweets and pictures and oh they made this much, they're up 10 grand on this trade and then you see the odd one, but I know there's a lot more out there of people with just blown up accounts, people that are just devastated, hard on themselves. So yeah, it's just nobody really shows the losses, but everybody sure does come out when the wins are there. But let's just get into the what I was seeing in the morning when I got to the desk, and yeah. So in the morning, we had this craziness yesterday, and then in the overnight session, price basically stayed under the start of day VWAP. But how do you this move? Like, look at we're above the value area high, above the point of control, we're above it all. So you would think coming into it thinking long bias, but you know what? I'm thinking anything. We can't have this kind of move can't exist without some sort of some sort of pullback or something to it. But let's just get into what I was the trades I took, and that's it. And it's, well, this one's going to be short and quick. I took two trades in the morning, and I was done for the day. I didn't stick around for any of the craziness. I would have got induced into something, and yeah. So this were the trades that I took. Basically, New York Open. Some people were getting long here. We're still below this start of day VWAP. As soon as we get black below the New York, I'm watching the CVD on Bookmap religiously, and it has been declining. I think it was minus 2 or 3,000 at this point, but it was just on a steady decline, and it's something I've been using this whole week actually, just watching on the higher time frame. Is the CVD rising or is it falling? So it's falling. I decide to get short. We come down here. We take the opening range low. I think I'm up close to 150 or 160 at one point. Price pulls back, and this is where yesterday, thinking of the stuff I did yesterday, I said, I'm just taking my profit. I'm looking to make about $200 a day in this account. I'm basically at pretty much eligible for a payout. I just got to get the consistency target down a bit, so I just need some small wins to kind of stack it up to bring that consistency target to the 20%. And yeah, so I got out here. I'm glad I did. I would have stuck around in this chop, and who knows what I would have done, right? Now, my second trade, I threw a low day anchor on here. Guys are getting short here. Guys are getting short here. Everybody just, is feeling it and wanting to get short, but I had to wait. You can see the buyers hold this low day VWAP here very, very, very nicely, and they hold it here very nicely, telling me they're trying to regain control of this. It's once they get up to the New York, the sellers step in, and they're not going to let the buyers get it that easy. Price pulls down on this low day break. I can see the CVD has been steadily falling this whole entire time. The buyers weren't able to put a dent in these two moves, so I'm like, now I think the buyers are going to run out of steam, and the sellers are going to be able to step back in. Sellers step in, I get short here. I take it down to the IB low. I think this thing could bounce. It could do a lot of weird things. Who knows with this price action? I take my 120 bucks. I run. I'm good. Price pulls back up. I'm like, oh, thank God it did that. I would have closed for a break even, and then you have this slide, and then I would have been in here trying to chase a move all the way down. So up 230 or something on the day. I'm good with it. I'm happy. I don't have any other issues, and that was easy. Just a quick, easy trading day for me, and that's how I want to trade. I want to eventually size up and have these, obviously, the P&L a lot bigger, but I don't need to be catching monster moves. That's kind of not what my style of trading is, or what my temperament would well suit. My temperament suits these. For me, I like 10 to 20 point moves, and some of these are a lot bigger, but this is only a single micro. So you got to remember, if this was 5 micros, this would be 750. This would be 500, 600 bucks. So it's like that's over $1,000 day. So yeah, that's that. Have a quick look at the calendar. And yeah, I'm just trying to stack up these small wins in this account. Tomorrow I'm going to be eligible for the TradeZella payout, and I'm going to get the payout request in, and then I'm going to stack up some more small wins, and hopefully in the next week or so I can take a payout in the top one futures account. And then I will switch to a 150K top one account and go from there, and just keep stacking the wins, just working on stacking wins. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Click, subscribe, comment. You know the routine, the same old stuff, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Chat. Cheers.